Hello, student. I am Leena Patel. Today we are going to discuss stack data structure. Stack data structure. A stack is a linear data structure that allows a particular order in which the operations are performed. The order may be LIFO, means last in first out, or FILO, first in last out, means LIFO implies that the element that is inserted last comes out first, and FILO implies that the element that is inserted first comes out last. It behaves like a stack of a plate, where the last plate added in the first one to be removed. Think of it this way. Pushing an element onto the stack is like adding a new plate on the top, and popping an element removes the top plate of the stack. This is a basic operation performed on a stack. First is push operation, second is pop operation, third is top operation, fourth is empty operation, fifth is full operation. In push operation, to insert an element onto the stack is called push operation, and to remove an element from the stack is called pop operation. Top operation return the top element of the stack, and is empty return the true if stack is empty, or the stack is full, it gives false. In full operation returns true if the stack is full. When the stack is empty, it returns false value. To implement stack, we need to maintain reference. We explain this in this diagram. In this diagram, first stack is empty. So this return top is equals to -1, means there is no item present in the stack. When the top is 0, when the top is positioned at 0, means the stack have one item, means one item pushed onto the stack. When the value of top is 1 and stack 1 is pointed to 2, means it has two items, means when we add 2 to the stack, the top position is point to 1 and stack has two items. When we insert number 3 onto the stack, it takes the top position of the stack. So the stack is point to 3 and top is point to 1, means there is 3 items present in the stack. When we remove 3 onto the stack, the 3 removed from top of the stack, means last item removed first. So we remove 3 first to the stack, and we remove 2 and we remove 1. Push operation. Add an element to the stack if the stack is full, then it is said to be an overflow condition. There is algorithm for push operation. Before pushing the element to the stack, we check if the stack is full. If the stack is full, top is pointing to capacity -1. Then stack is overflow, and we cannot insert the element to the stack because the stack is full. Otherwise, we increment the value of the top by top plus 1, and the new value is inserted at the top position. The element can be pushed into the stack till we reach the capacity of the stack. Another is push operation. Push operation means remove an item from the stack. The items are popped in the reversed order in which they are pushed. If the stack is empty, then it is said to be an underflow condition. This is the algorithm for pop operation. Before popping the element from the stack, we check if the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, then top is pointing to -1 position. Then the stack is underflow. And we cannot remove an element from the stack because the stack is empty. Otherwise, we store the value at top. Decrement the value of the top by top is equals to top minus 1 and return the stored top value. There's the application of stack. First is function call, second is recursion, expression evaluation, syntax parsing, memory management. Function calls. Stack are used to keep track of the return addresses of the function call, allowing the program to return to the correct location after a function has finishing executing. Means it return the location of the location after a function has finished. Recursion. Stack are used to store the local variable and return addresses of recursive function calls, allowing the program to keep track of the current state of the recursion. Means stack is used for recursion is to give the means is to track the current state of the function. Next is expression evaluation. Stack are used to evaluate expression in postfix notation means reverse polishing notation. When we compile our program, we compile in reverse polishing notation. Stack is used for expression evaluation. Stack is also used in syntax parsing. Stack are used to check the validity of a syntax in programming language and other formal languages. Means our program is validate or not is this is checked by stack. Memory management. The stack are used to allocate the manage memory in some operating system and programming language. Stack are used for memory management. It manage the memory. Okay, thank you.